Hey girlfriends, what's up? It's your girl CurlyBae and I'm back with you again with another video. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Oh, and if you're a returning girlfriend, welcome back. Today is day 2 of quarantine. I am off today. Yay! I'm actually off for the next 3 days. So you know, content, baby. So today I am going to do something quick and simple and super easy. Just because I didn't feel like doing nothing. I really feel like going back to bed. So I already do my makeup, so I'm going to do a video for y'all, okay? Alright, so my hair is still somewhat stretched. See that? It's still somewhat stretched from yesterday. So, I mean, yeah, I could really put it in a puff and just be good. But I want to like keep it in braids just because I feel it's a lot healthier that way. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a little quick, like simple little style, and like let me know what other suggestions you guys want to see down below, maybe tomorrow or whatever, because I off. So if you guys want to see what I'm gonna do next with my hair, then stay tuned for quarantine protective style day 2. Let go. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. So like I said, it's very simple. I mean, I'm being home right now, so I don't even know why I put these bedazzles on my hair, but I just thought they were cute and, you know, extra. Anyway guys, if you guys like this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below what hairstyle you want to see next for tomorrow. Not only that, but what y'all doing with your quarantine time, okay? We've been praying for this time. I mean, this is definitely an unfortunate situation, but let's make the best of it. And I'm praying for you guys. Oh, and shout out to the comment winner. Alright guys, and see you guys in the next video. And remember to dream big, take chances, and never stop learning. We are CurlyBae. Besos.